How to fix Instagram aspect ratio. Are you struggling with the wrong aspect ratio on Instagram? Whether your videos are getting cropped or stressed, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to fix it. So let's get started. The number one step is to understanding the Instagram aspect ratios. So the correct Instagram dimensions of the square post, portrait post and stories and reels and landscape posts are different. If your content is not fitting, it's probably because your video or image has the wrong size, but don't worry, we will fix that. Second step is to fixing aspect ratio on the mobile. Now open the Instagram app. Now tap on to plus button right here and tap on to one photo or video that you want to add. And after adding it, here you can find this arrow of the resize just right here. Now tap on it. And now you can see the photo has been resized. Perfectly. And the final step is to simply using the free editing apps like InShot, Canva or CapCut. You can also fix the aspect ratio on your PC. And that's it. Now your Instagram post will always have the perfect size. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.